Okay, today's Saturday project is descaling the tankless water heater. This is something I do about every 9 months because I live in a pretty hard water area, and double check with your manufacturer. With Noritz, I know that you can do this yourself pretty easily, and so I've been doing this for a couple of years to save money rather than paying a plumber or somebody else to come and do this. So what you'll need for your system, if it's like mine, is first to have a 5-gallon bucket. I've got a submersible pump, which you can pick up from Amazon or Home Depot for, I don't know, 30, 50 bucks, something like that. And then a couple of these water hookups. These are 3/4 inch, just like you would use in a washing machine. So the process on mine is first you turn off the gas. So keep in mind parallel is on and this is pointing perpendicular. So that is off. So this isn't actually getting any gas to heat this. Next, after that, you actually go and turn off the, this is the cold water input. I know that they put red PEX, but that's the cold water in, and then this is the hot water out. You'll turn both of those so that the water isn't flowing in and out. Next up, you put on the what are these called? The lines here to pump the cleaning solution, or in my case, vinegar is something that you can use. So I've got that hooked on to either side with those open. And I've had this running for about half an hour in here. It was very cloudy at first, and now it's a little bit less so. But what happens as the cleaning solution is pumped in through that cold one, it goes through the system, and that will help to dissolve the scale, the hard water buildup inside, which helps this work more efficiently so that it doesn't take as much energy, as much gas to heat up the water, and it will also keep the unit longevity up. It won't wear down as quickly. So after this is done, what I will do is first I will rinse this out. So I'll take this bucket up to drain and pour it down, fill it up with water, and then pump it through for a few minutes and rinse and repeat that for a few times. Recommendation is 20 gallons on this. And then after that's done, I will disconnect these, put on these caps, and close off the valve, and then I'll open up the water and turn on the gas. And right now you can see this is flashing with an error. That's because there isn't any gas, so this isn't able to heat. But from what I've looked up, the prices that they charge to do this is somewhere in the neighborhood of $50 to $100. And you can pick this stuff up for about 50 bucks. Well, for the pump and the bucket's not too much more, but certainly in the neighborhood of $80, you could pick up everything that you need and then just do this yourself. It takes 60 minutes to, I like to run this for 90, and they do recommend on mine that you switch out the vinegar or the cleaning solution after 30 minutes. I'm not going to, since I do this every 9 months, but that will get you a better clean. So I will come back and close all of this up here in half an hour. Make sure that in mine I've also got this piece that I can unscrew, and there can be debris that accumulates in there, so I'll rinse that out. But that's pretty much all there is to it. So it's not too complicated. You just have to be willing to dedicate an hour or two of your time. Most of the work is in setup. This runs quietly in the background for the duration, and that'll save you over the course of time. That could save you a few $100s. So definitely something I'm a fan of doing myself. And if you have any questions about your unit, just make sure that you look to your manufacturer. I'll leave links to the items that I'm using. Like I said, this is easy to find on Amazon or Home Depot, and hopefully this helps you out. Have a great day. What's your new favorite word? Can you say cookie?
Cookie, 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 cookie.